Good day, viewers. My name is Mr.Adebanjo. Today, I want to welcome you to today's class and today's lesson. And in today's class, we'll be discussing about plane geometry. And we are starting a new topic, it's plane geometry. And before we start the topic in per se or in detail, we are going to talk about angles. How we can get an angle, or how when an angle is formed, or how is an angle formed. I'm going to talk about this before we start plane geometry as a topic. So we want to talk about when an angle is formed, how is an angle formed, and the different types of angle that we have. As you can see on the screen right now, we are having angle is formed when two or more straight lines meet. Angle is formed when two or more straight lines meet. As you can see this straight line right now on the screen and this other straight line. An angle where they meet right here, an angle is formed here. So anytime two straight lines meet, angle is formed in between them. An angle is here. So an angle is formed when two or more straight lines meet. When you're having two straight lines or more, an angle is going to be formed. Once they meet, an angle is going to be formed. So if that is we are taken care of, let's talk about the different types of angle that we have. Now, the first angle that we have, the first type is acute angle. Acute angle. You can see this is a straight line and it meets this straight line as well. So angle is formed here, but this angle is called acute. Acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. This angle that is formed here is less than 90 degrees. It's not up to 90 degrees. So if it is, had it been this line is straight like this, straight, then the angle is going to be 90 degrees. But because it is not up to 90, because this line is not straight, it's bent like this. So the angle that is formed here is 90 degrees, is less than 90 degrees, which is acute. So any angle that is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. So another type we're talking about is a right angle. Right angle. Right angle is an angle that is equal to 90 degrees. And that's an angle you are having here. This angle is called right angle. This angle that I'm alighting on is called right angle and it's equal to 90 degrees. So you can see that two lines still meet. This line meets with this line here. So an angle is formed, but this angle here is 90 degrees. So, and it is called right angle. So right angle means 90 degrees. And this type of angle we are having on the screen right now is right angle. Another type of angle we have is the total angle on a straight line. This is a straight line here now. The total angle on this straight line is 180 degrees. The total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. When you have a straight line, the angle that is on that straight line is 180 degrees, either like this or under like this. That's also 180 degrees. So angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Then we also have obtuse angles. Obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 190 degrees but less than 180. Angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. You can see this is a line and it meets with this another line here. So an angle is formed here. This angle here is formed, but this angle is greater than 90 degrees. Sorry, the angle here is greater than 90 degrees because if it is 90 degrees, it's going to be straight like this. That line is going to be straight. So since it's bent toward this side, toward the left hand side, that means it's greater than 90 degrees, but it's less than 180. If it is 180, the line is going to be straight like this. So, but this angle here is greater than 90, but is greater than 90 but less than 180. So any angle that is greater than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Also, we still have reflex angle as another type of angles that we have. The reflex angle is angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. It's greater than 180 but less than 360. That's the reflex angle. So the angle that is formed here is greater than 180 because angle on a straight line is 180 like this. So this angle is more than 180 but it's less than 360. So total angle in a circle is 360, but this angle here, that means this there's here